You need to hear this if you're a history buff. The Great Emu War, when emus ruled the roost. Veterans turned farmers were overrun by these large, hungry birds threatening their livelihoods. Enter the military, armed and ready to outsmart the birds. But emus don't back down. These speedsters can dash at 30 miles per hour, eluding capture. The result? A spectacular miss for the humans and a win for the emus, leaving them to celebrate their victory. Thus the Great Emu War entered history. Proof that nature often laughs last. If you could witness any bizarre event in history, what would it be? Share your pick in the comments below. For more quirky history tales, hit like and subscribe and join our journey through time.